Dear student, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. In our previous class, we will take topic chapter number 7, triangle. In previous class, we see the congruence of triangle and rules for proving the congruence of triangle. We will take 2 and 3 examples in previous video. Now we are taking questions from exercise 7.1. Question number 2. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC. In this diagram there are ABCD, a quadrilateral, AD equal to BC. This side AD and this side BC is equal, and angle DAB, this complete angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, complete angle B is equal. Then prove that triangle ABD congruence with BAC. ABD. Now we separating these triangle. A, B and D. Another is BAC, BA and C. There are 2 triangles. We have to prove congruence of these triangles. AD is equal to BC, AD and BC is equal. Angle A and angle B are equal. So by in proving of congruence of triangle, we have rule of triple S, SAS, ASA or AAS and RHS. There are no right angle in this diagram. There are no 90-degree angle will given in this diagram. So RHS rule cannot apply. Triple S, when giving to us a angle is equal, so we move to these not triple S rule. There are 2 rules, SAS or AAS. Okay, in this diagram we saw that in this triangle there are a side AB, in this triangle there are a side AB. AB side is a common side. Common side means equal. There are 2 sides and they are equal. So we denote in this diagram there are equal sides. Then see this diagram. 2 sides are equal, one angle is equal. SAS. So SAS rule is right. Now we prove this. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC. In triangle ABD and BAC, first of all AD and BC is equal. AD equal to BC. Why this given in question? Next is angle is equal, given in question. So angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, which is given in question. Another side AB and BA. AB is equal to BA. Why? Common side. So using SAS rule, triangle ABD congruent with triangle BAC. This is our first part. So we prove this first part by SAS rule. Then in question second part says that BD is equal to AC. BD and AC is equal. Yes, this is equal because we know that if two triangles are congruent, then three sides are equal to each other and their respective three angles will be equal. So we prove this in this diagram. We saw that two sides are equal. By congruency we can say that third side is also equal. So second question, we have triangle ABD congruent with triangle BAC. So using CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle are equal. Hence BD is equal to AC. Third side is equal. Third side of these triangle. Third side of this triangle. So this side is equal. Third part 3, angle ABD and angle BAC are equal. Checking on this diagram, angle ABD, angle AB and D, this angle AB and D, angle BAC, angle BAC, this angle. This angle is opposite from one dot side and this angle is also opposite with one dot side. So we know that respective angle AD side equal opposite angle is B, AD equal to BC, then opposite angle is A. So respective angle is also equal by CPCT. So we have triangle ABD congruent with triangle BAC. So using CPCT are equal. Hence these angles are also equal. Angle is angle ABD equal to angle BAC. So there are three questions. We have proved all of these three questions. So starting of this question, ABCD is a quadrilateral, this diagram, in which AD is equal to BC, AD is equal to BC, angle DAB complete angle A, and angle CBA complete angle is equal, given in question. Then prove that these three topic. There are two triangle. We have to move these triangle outside the diagram. Triangle ABD. ABD, this upper side of triangle, and triangle BAC. BAC, lower side of this triangle. We have to move outside. Through this congruent in congruency, we have these rule: triple S, SAS, ASA, or AAS and RHS. First of all, RHS, right angle. There are no right angle, so we cannot use this rule. And given in question, one angle is equal. So in angle rule, there are two rules. We cannot move to triple S rule. There are two rules. Then we focus on this diagram. AD and BC equal, angle A and angle B is equal. There are a side AB, there are a side AB, AB and AB, AB and AB. This is a common side of these triangle. So common side will be equal. Then SAS, by SAS rule we can prove this. So in triangle ABD and BCA, AD equal to BC given, angle DAB and angle CBA given in question, AB and BA we taking two sides, there are common sides of this triangle. So using SAS rule, there are two triangle are congruent. Another BD is equal to AC. In this diagram, this is BD and this is AD. We know that when two triangles are congruent, then three sides will be equal. Two sides we have proved, and third side automatically proven by congruency. So we have two triangles are congruent. So using CPCT are equal, corresponding parts of congruent triangle are equal. So third side of this triangle is equal. This is our second question. Third question, angle ABD, angle ABD, this angle BAC, this angle. These are angle is equal. Angle B, opposite to side AD, and AD side equal to BC, angle A is opposite to this. So when sides is equal, then respective angle are equal. The side AB opposite angle is B, side BC opposite angle is A. So using CPCT, angle B and angle A is equal. We have two triangles are congruent. Using CPCT, there are two angle are equal. Okay, you can take a screenshot. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is question number 4. L and M are two parallel lines. Given L parallel to M, L and M, these are two lines which is parallel, intersect by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. Another pair of parallel lines given P parallel with Q. P and Q are parallel, so that triangle ABC, this one, and triangle DAC, CDA, triangle CDA, these two triangles are congruent. In congruency, we have rule triple S, SAS, AAS or ASA, RHS. In this triangle, there are no 90-degree angle, so we cannot apply RHS rule. First of all, we taking SAS rule. There are two triangles. This is a common side. Common side, one side is equal. AC is equal to CA. So move to another. Given L and M are parallel. L and M are parallel. When two lines are parallel, these two lines are parallel. So distance between these lines at any point will be equal. The distance will be equal in there are two lines. So distance is AB, distance is CD. These are lines are equal, and another distance PQ, distance BC are equal. So we can prove by triple S rule, and another we can also prove by ASA rule या or double AS rule. First of all, one side is equal. Then in parallel side, when any line intersect this, then there are one figure like Z. In this Z, alternate angle are equal. Alternate angle are equal. There are L and M. There are two parallel lines L and M. One AC line intersect is this. So there is a Z. So alternate angle are equal. So there is angle A and there is angle C is equal using L and M parallel. When P and Q are parallel, there are two lines P and Q. So AC line intersect, then in this diagram there is a Z. There is a Z. So this angle and this angle is equal. Now we saw this diagram. There are two triangles. We have to prove this. These are congruent. First of all, this angle and this angle equal. This is a common side. This angle and this angle equal. ASA. Using ASA rule, we can say that these are congruent triangle. Now we have to prove this in diagram. Given that L parallel to M and AC intersecting, these parallel lines. So L and M AC intersect, then angle BCA equal to this angle DAC, angle DAC. Next time we taking parallel lines P and Q. Given that P and Q are parallel and AC intersecting these parallel lines. So angle BAC equal to angle ACD. Why? because these are alternate angle. These are alternate angles, so these angles are equal, and AC is equal to CA. Why? These are common sides. So using ASA rule, triangle ABC congruent with triangle CDA, hence proved. Let's take beginning from this question. L and M are two parallel sides. We given that L and M are parallel, intersecting by another pair of parallel lines, which P and Q. Given that P and Q are parallel, then so that triangle ABC and triangle CDA, these both are congruent. There are four rules of congruence of triangle: triple S, SAS, ASA or RHS. There are no right angle, so we cannot use RHS rule. Remaining is triple S, SAS or AAS, or we can say that ASA rule. In this diagram, there are two triangles. This side is common side is equal, and then L and M are parallel lines. AC intersect this, so we can draw a Z. When we draw a Z in parallel lines, then these are alternate angle, and alternate angle is always equal. So angle BAC and DAC are equal by alternate angle. When P and Q are parallel lines, there are two parallel lines, and AC intersect this, we can draw a Z from this side. So this angle and this angle will be equal. So this angle and this angle will be equal. When PQ are parallel, AC intersect these, so there are alternate angle BAC, and this angle ACD. Alternate angle will be equal. Common side AC is equal to CA by using ASA rule. By using ASA rule, there are two triangles which is congruent. So student, take a screenshot of this question. We have to move our next question. Now student, our next question is question number 6. In this figure, AC is equal to AE. Given that AC and AE is equal, AC and AE is equal, AB and AD is equal, AB and AD is equal. This AB and this AD, these are equal. Angle BAD, this small angle BAD, and another EAC, this angle. These angles are equal given in question, so that BC and DE are equal. BC and DE. Using BC, we draw a triangle. This one. A, B, C, there is one point D. I have draw a dotted line AD, which is not in this diagram. So we have to dotted this. Another is in upper diagram, use DE. Use DE. So this side, and this side, this triangle in two parts. D, A, E, there is C point. I have draw a dotted line to point C, AC line. So I have draw a dotted line. In this diagram, marking AC is equal to AE, AC this, and AE this. There are two sides which is equal. AB, AD, this is AB and this is AD. Two dotted line. These sides are equal. Given that two sides is equal, remaining BCAD, third side is equal. If three sides are equal, then the two triangle is congruent. Congruency rule, triple S. Two sides given, third side will prove, so we cannot use this. Another is SAS, AAS and RHS. RHS, right angle. There is no any right angle, so we cannot use RHS. Two sides are given, then this rule is perfect. We have to find third angle. Yes, there is one angle. So we find what is this angle? Angle BAD. Angle BAND. This angle EAC. This angle. Half of these angles are equal, not the full. If we prove that this full angle is equal, so as rule we have congruency using CPCT, third side will be equal. So there are half angle is equal, we have to move on this, that full angle is equal. Assume that, you have to assume, let a value of 50 degree and 50 degree is equal. In first diagram there is angle 50 degree and 50 degree. In this triangle, small triangle, common in both triangle. This small triangle is common in both triangle using AD and AC side. AD and AC. Assume that this angle is 10 degree. For assumption, this angle is 10 degree. 50 plus 10, 60 degree angle in this diagram. 50 plus 10, 60 degree in this diagram. Yes, 60 degree, so this angle is equal. This is our assumption. We remove this angle from here. Now proving this, we have to prove triangle CAB congruent with triangle EAD. We have to prove. Now we prove these are two triangle which are congruent. First of all, in this triangle, AC is equal to AE given. Another, BA is equal to DA, which is given in our question. Now third, angle BAD is equal to angle EAC are equal, which is given. Now this is a small angle, we have to add a small angle which is common. Adding both sides, angle DAC, BAD plus DAC, there is angle EAC, then we add angle DAC. Now BAD this, and DAC this. Complete angle, name of complete angle BAC, angle BAC is equal to, in second diagram, EAC this angle, DAC this angle. Add of these two angle, the complete angle A, naming AEAD, angle EAD. These two angles are equal. Now I draw the complete angle this. These are equal. No, SAS by SAS rule. By SAS rule, triangle CAB congruent with triangle EAD. Now these two triangles are congruent using CPCT are equal. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle are equal. In this diagram, we having two sides are equal. By congruency, third side is also equal. So third side, which one? BC, and there DE. BC and DE is equal, so that BC is equal to DE. Hence proved. This is our question. So taking beginning from this question, in this diagram, AC and AE, AC AE is equal, AB AD is equal, AB AD is equal, angle BAD this one, and angle EAC this one. These two angles are equal given in our question. What to prove? So that BC and DE, using BC we have to draw a triangle, this one and this one, A, B and C triangle. We move from the outside the diagram, A, B, C. There is a D point, we draw a dotted line to point D. This one angle is equal. Okay, and two sides in this diagram, these two sides we draw equal sign. Another DE, using DE side by angle A, we have draw a triangle EAD. In this triangle EAD, a dotted line going to point C. A dotted line goes to point C. Upper angle is equal. This is small. Upper angle is equal, and two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Prove that BC and DE is equal. BC and DE. Two sides of this triangle are equal. Third side have to prove that this is equal. By congruency we can say that all sides are equal. So we have to prove this. These two triangles are congruent by congruency rule triple S, SAS, AAS or RHS. There is no right angle, so we cannot move on RHS rule. Triple S, two sides are equal. Third side is asking us to equal, so we cannot use this. Then two sides are equal, one missing angle, have to find what. We can prove this, okay, this is equal. In question, this is small angle and upper small angle is equal. In this diagram, this angle and this angle is equal. There is a angle in common base. When we add this and this angle in both sides, this angle in this side and this side, we can prove that complete angle is equal. So by proving in question, we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. AC and AE is equal, given in question. BA and DE given in question. Small angle A and small angle A given in question. There is a common angle. We adding this angle in both side, left hand side and right hand side. So in this angle we add this DAC angle in both sides. When adding these two angles, BAD and DAC, these two angle, complete angle A, naming is BAC. The addition of these angle is BAC. There are two angles, EAC and DAC. When we add these two angles, we have a complete angle EAD. Now in this diagram, SAS. By SAS rule, these two triangles are congruent. Using CPCT, third side will be equal. Okay student, in our next video we move to our next question. Thank you for watching this video.